Hello students, how are you all? So today we will study about chapter 9 of our SST book, that is My School. So this is the second part of this chapter. In the first part we have discussed about all about my school, the school building, the playground, okay, and then we have discussed about the identity card which you have to fill it in your book, and then we have discussed about the day, how we used to spend or start our day in the school, and then you have to write it down the activities which you do in the school, and you have to fill the table which is given here, that is your favorite subjects, your favorite subject teacher, and your subjects which you like the most, okay. And then we will start with the activities at school. So what kind of activities we perform in the school? So let's begin with it. Activities at school. Different activities takes place in different rooms or places in the school campus. We study in the classroom. So students, we used to perform a lot of activities in the school, in the different classrooms in the school campus. So first of all, we study in the classroom, as we can see in the image also here, that students are studying in the classroom. Then games. Games are played in the sports field on special days like sports meet, race, and games are held. Prizes are given to the winner of the competition. So students, here we can see the picture also. On the sports day, we used to play a lot of games like race and many other games used to play, and the prizes also distributed to the winners of the competitions, as we can see in the image also, okay. Then we read books and magazines in the library. So students, here you can see the image. We used to read books and magazines in the library, okay. Then we learn about computers and work on them in the computer laboratory. There are many computers in the computer room. So here you can see the image of the computer lab, in which we used to sit on the sit besides the computer and work on it, and we learn a lot of things through the computer. So here is another one, that is, on special occasions like annual day, children put up dance, play and musical item on the stage in the auditorium. So here we can see the image also, that some students are performing on the stage. On the special occasions like annual day functions, the student used to prepare the dance items, they sing songs for the audience to entertain them, okay students. So here is another one. Look at the picture. These are the people who help us at school. Write who they are. So students, we used to have these people in the school who help us in the work of the school. So the first one is the gardener, okay. So he used to take care of the garden of the school. And then here is a person, he is a gatekeeper. Okay, so he used to take care of the security of the school, okay. Then here is a lady which you can see. She used to perform the school work. She is a schoolmaid. Schoolmaid. Okay. Then here you can see there is a bus who has a driver who used to take the children from their home, and he also sent the children to the home. So we will be writing bus driver. Bus driver. Okay. Okay students, so these are the people who used to help us in the school. Now make your class timetable in the space below. So students, here is a space given here, and you have to note down the class timetable. Okay students, so this is the homework for you. Okay, so this is how we have come to the end of this chapter. So I hope students you have understood the chapter. So thank you class, have a nice day.